At the heart of Mombasa's coastline lies Bamburi Beach, a place of beauty, culture, and life. But like many coastal gems, it faces the challenge of pollution and waste. At Travelers Beach Hotel and Spa, we believe in protecting the very shores that welcome our guests and sustain our community. Today, we come together as staff, volunteers, and friends, not just to clean a beach, but to make a statement that every small act of care creates a ripple of change. This isn't just another day at the beach. This is a cleanup mission. We're rolling deep with the Travelers Beach community, proving that teamwork, fun, and impact can all happen in one morning.
If the ocean could talk, what will it say to us today?
Clean me.
Why did you join today?
Because I'm very fond of environment and I would like to keep my environment clean. And I'm very happy seeing the surrounding clean.
My message to the world is we need to take care of our ecosystems, especially the marine animals. They have been forgotten, and we have got a lot of waste from humans. We have a lot of pollution in the sea, and it is good that we all take care of the environment because it also gives back to us. Destroy the environment, we also get destroyed.